Many people have faced constant sleep problems. Modern-day stress, when combined with poor eating habits and an unhealthy lifestyle, have increased the amount of people that suffer from insomnia and have problems with sleeping regularly. Here are 10 tips on how to go to sleep quickly and naturally. 1. Chamomile tea. Add a teaspoon of chamomile tea to a cup of boiling water and let it steep. Drink this tea 1 hour before bedtime. 2. Lettuce. Boil a cup of water and add a lettuce leaf. Let it steep for 20 minutes and drink it daily, 1 hour before bed. 3. Valerian and nutmeg. Dilute 1/2 of a teaspoon of valerian and a pinch of grated nutmeg in 2 cups of warm water. Let it steep for 15 minutes. Drink it before going to sleep. Avoid using this treatment for more than 2 weeks. As a precaution, try to keep your nutmeg consumption under 1/2 a teaspoon per week to avoid side effects. 4. Warm milk with cinnamon. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon to a cup of warm almond milk. Drink this 1 hour before going to bed. 5. Nutmeg. Add a pinch of nutmeg to a cup of warm soy milk and drink it before going to bed. You can also trade soy milk for a cup of warm water or fruit juice. 6. Turmeric. Mix a little turmeric in a cup of soy milk and drink it before going to bed. 7. Cumin seeds. Mix a teaspoon of cumin seeds with a mashed banana and eat if before going to bed. You can also substitute powdered cumin for the seeds. 8. Banana. Bananas are rich in tryptophan, which helps raise serotonin levels and aids in regulating sleep. Therefore, try to eat bananas often before bedtime. 9. Taking warm baths. Try to take a warm bath about 2 hours before going to bed. The bath will help your body and nerves relax. If you have a bathtub, you can make the most out of your bath by using rosemary, lavender, chamomile or lemongrass essential oil. 10. Passion fruit juice. Drink a cup of passion fruit juice 40 minutes before going to sleep. To strengthen the juice, add a lettuce leaf and blend it together. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.